Okay, see the same thing, one important topic. Set function conflicts. Okay. Tell me how it's a list of tables. Show tables. Okay. So this is my table, employee table. Select star from employee. What it will do, it will project all the columns and all the records in my employee table. Tell me now, see what happened where employee name equals to I am putting so Praveen Kumar T, you will get only Praveen Kumar records. Okay. Suppose if I put capital R, it will work. Yes or no? Tell
No.
me.
No.
Why?
Case sensitive.
Case sensitive.
It's a case sensitive. So data in the database is case sensitive. See, data is not getting populated. So, but when I open this one, see, it's the same thing. Flipkart application. Now I'm searching for C, PHONE. See, it's in uppercase. Now, how many records given? 10,605 records came. Same thing if I search for lowercase. Tell me how many records? Same records. Huh? Tell me if I search for the same thing. But what happened? 1 second, give me. So, but what happened in my data? Data in the database is case sensitive. But what happened if I given uppercase, if I given lowercase, I'm getting the same result set. Okay, now how we are trying to do? Tell me, suppose if I give, so different case, it is working, it is not working because data in the database is case sensitive. But what happened if I give uppercase, if I give lowercase, I want to get the data. Anybody? How to get the data?
By
Okay.
using unit tab.
Okay, see the same thing. I'll try to explain. So this is important. So because so we can't able to say like user should enter only small case. Tell me. So always user should enter small case. So no, he can able to enter any case, but I want to bring the correct data. How to bring see this use case? Important topic. See the same thing. Let me go back here. Understand this use case important. This one. Let me go to data. I'm trying to create some data. So here our requirement is that what, so see this data, I want to get it. Okay, see the same thing. Okay, see now what happened. Let me see the data. Okay. Okay, now there are 10 records are there. Okay, see 8 records are there. Now see requirement is that what? Now I want to get only Praveen. Tell me how to get only Praveen is go for what? Where? Tell me where? Where name equal to Praveen. Tell me now which record will be populating. Tell me anyone. So
Praveen
first
Kumar.
record is there, third record is there, fifth record is there.
Third
Which one get
record.
be
First
populating?
record.
First record. Why?
First one.
Because that is only matching with all upper cases.
So it's a case sense, it will give only the exact matching. So exact matching. So this is so far good. But when you go for second task, what the second task tell me?
Small case, lower case.
We should get only small case. Okay, see the functionality, small case. Okay, let me go back here. Control C, Control V. Okay. Now I want to get only small case. Okay, so far good. Okay, because data in the database is case sensitive and exact matching. But here what happened? Next task is that what? Now if it is small case or if it is uppercase or mixed case, I want to bring the data. Tell me how to bring the data. Anyone? Whatever the case, if it is uppercase or mixed case, I want to bring the data. And how to bring this data? Important concept, tell me.
Like operator.
Like upper, why? Like, see the same thing. Now see what happened. So this is important. So see the data. So my data is in which case? See, name, name. Now see the data. My data is in what case? One is uppercase, one is lowercase. Now I am trying to convert everything into uppercase. Now tell me now what is the data? Now tell me what data we'll get. Now we'll get all the data to
Upper.
uppercase, uppercase. Now see the same thing. Now I'm putting Praveen. Now tell me this is matching a yes or no? What about third record? Matching
Matching.
a matching. So here you need to understand is that what? So we want to convert our data to uppercase, not permanently for testing purpose. So see here what happened, important. See, now it's only small Praveen it will work. Now what happened if it's small case or uppercase, I want to make it to working. Now tell me what exactly I'm trying to do now. I'm trying to convert our data to lowercase. Now tell me what is the output. Now tell me what exactly we are trying to do. Line number 34. Important. Tell me what exactly I'm trying to do. Anyone?
Trying to pull like that.
So we are converting our table column to lower data. Lower nothing but our all the data to convert into small case. Now tell me now it should work. It should be working fine. Getting the point. The same thing. Suppose if I convert into capital case. So see the same. This is important. Now see, now I'm trying to convert our entire data to capital case. Now tell me now data will come up. Yes or no? Now we are
Yes.
converting our entire data to capital case. But this is what case?
Okay.
Lower case. Now
Lowercase.
no records will be there. Now what I should do? I should convert both. So simple thing. So both sides I'm converting to same data. Now it should work or not? Tell me.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, it should work. So see, we are getting what? 135. But what happened? I want to get sixth record. Tell me why I'm not getting sixth record?
There is
Space.
spacing.
Spaces are there. Tell me how to remove the spaces.
Trim. L trim.
So by saying trim function. So where I should trim? At line number? Line number?
40.
40. So 40. Okay, we should trim the spaces. So it will remove the spaces before and after. So far good. Now 135 came. But what happened? I want to get the seventh record also. Tell me, I'm having the spaces in middle. Tell me how to remove the spaces in middle.
Replace.
Replace.
Replace function, no, replace function.
Replace.
Remember the concept we discussed individually, but you should know. So remember, knowing the concept is not important. You should know how to implement and where to implement and how to say. So see, so we discussed already what this thing, but what happened? We want to make it to so replace concept. So replace of so what I want to replace, replace empty space with empty thing. Now tell me now it should work or not. So it is working. So here what happened? If it is uppercase or if it is mixed case or if it is lowercase, we are converting our entire data to uppercase, it is working fine. So removing the spaces by the trim function or replace function, this is so far good. Getting the point? This is so far good. But what happened when I see the fourth task? So they want to extract wherever Praveen is there, it should work. Tell me, it will work directly. Now in the data is so its data in the database is exact match. Nothing but if I give Praveen, it will give Praveen data. It won't give Kumar Praveen data. Suppose a simple thing. If I put Praveen to data, it won't because it's a
Yeah.
exact matching. But what happened? I know some particular part of the thing. Okay, now see, I know what? I know Praveen. It's a string. I want to get particular pattern matching. Tell me how do the pattern matching in SQL? Pattern
Like
matching like it's a simple thing what happened. So earlier it's a straightforward. Wherever Praveen is there, I want quick. But what happens the next is a exact matching. So but here what happened? So Praveen is there at the end. But what happened? I want to bring this type of data. How can you bring this type of data? Tell me. So we should go for what concept? We should go for Go
Like
for pattern matching. So
Pattern.
Praveen, see here what happened. Simple thing. Now see, I'm searching for 4. How many records giving? 10,605. Same thing if I search for mobile, see how many records giving? Almost like same, huh? 10,605. Okay, see here you need to understand what happened. So data in the database is case sensitive. Suppose if I search for mobile phone, okay, see like almost like little bit same functional. Here you need to understand is that what? So data in the database is case sensitive. Tell me, if I search for PHON, it's giving what? Same results. Nothing but what's a pattern matching. Pattern match nothing but what concept? Like
Like
operator.
operator.
Now we're discussing like operator. So that is pattern matching, like operator. Getting the point of say simple thing? Simple, but we will use regular these concepts in our day-to-day projects. Okay. So see the same thing, control C. So see the data, then you can able to understand. Now we're discussing pattern matching concept. See, select star from EMP. Now see what happened. There's so many records are there. Now see where name, like, or percentage. Tell me what exactly, anybody, any guess what exactly this one?
the starting letter should be R.
Starting letter
And
should be compulsory. R
R.
should be there. Okay, see, R should be there. So it can be next value, it can be anything. Suppose copy the same thing. So control V. Now tell me why I'm not getting RAM data. Hmm.
It
Anyone?
is in small
It's a
lowercase.
case sensitive, case sensitive. You see, now capital R. See the same thing. Now tell me what happens. See, R should be compulsory. So next value it can be optional. It can be 0 matching, 1 matching, 3 records matching, 5 records. Here you understand what? R should be compulsory. R person nothing but R should be compulsory. Next value it can be anything. 0 matching, 1 matching. Tell me why I'm not getting A R A. Tell me why I'm not
The
getting A
starting
R A.
letter is not R.
R. Okay, so this is the same thing. Now copy the same functionality. Control C. Control V. Now I'm putting percentage A. Now tell me what's the exact output. Hmm.
The last letter should be A, and
So
anything,
see,
any
so
values can
see,
be in R.
starting it can be anything, but ending should be A. A. It should be A. Okay, so this is the functionality. Okay, this is the concept. Okay, same thing. Let me copy the same thing. Control C. Control V. Now I'm putting R percentage A. Tell me now what exactly it means.
The
Anyone?
starting and ending letter should be R and A, and anything can be in between.
Okay, see the same thing. It's giving only one record. So here you need to understand what. So R should be compulsory, A should be compulsory at the end. In the middle can be any value. Same thing, suppose like same function. Control C. Now tell me now what's exact output.
The starting letter should be capital R, and ending should be small u, and anything can be in
Okay,
between.
see, so R should be compulsory, U should be compulsory, middle can be any value. So here you need to understand what the R compulsory, U compulsory, meaning it can be any value. Okay, getting the point. Here percentage is nothing but it's a 0 matching, 1 matching, or 2 matching. So it's not compulsory, it's just the same. So this is the concept. Now copy the same function. Now I'm putting percentage A percentage. Now tell me what exactly it means, percentage A percentage. What exactly? Hmm.
The the word should have the letter A. Anything
It
can
can
be in
be
between.
anywhere. It can be A should be at the starting value, A should be at the ending value. We can get anything. Okay, see. So A it can be see second, third position, second position, the same thing. So A should be compulsory, should be there. This is the concept of pattern matching. So got a point. Suppose what happened, control C. Now, if it is uppercase or lowercase, I want to bring the data. Then what I should do? We should convert everything into one case. Upper of name. Okay, upper of name. Now we'll get this data which is containing any Any type. See, now we're getting uppercase also. Here you can understand is that what? So data in the database is case sensitive. To overcome this, what happened? We are converting our table data to one case, either uppercase or lowercase. If I want to search that pattern, we should go for what concept? Go for like a concept. Same thing. What happened? So see R 1, 2, 3. Now tell me anybody what exactly it means. Important, very, very important. This one.
Starting with R and it
So
should have
starting should be R. And what happened? What about how many underscore? 3 underscore. Now tell me, see the data. So see, R should be compulsory and see how many length should be here should be totally 4 length. One more time if not able to understand. So control C, control V. Now what happened now? I am putting, so see, R should be compulsory and okay, so total length should be what? Compulsory should be 3.
3.
So 3. So there are no records. Same thing. Now tell me R should be compulsory, total length should be 2. Okay, so this is a functionality. One more time. Control C, control V. Now what happened? Now I'm putting, so see, now tell me what is the requirement? Compulsory length of the thing, length of the column should be what?
4.
4. Tell me the name should be starting with anything,
Anything.
anything. So
But
compulsory length should be 4. It
4.
can be any value. So whereas percentage nothing but what? Nothing but what is percentage? Nothing but what?
Any
It can
value.
be any value, 0 or 1 or 2, but underscore nothing but compulsory. If I put compulsory 1 digit should be there. Okay. So copy the same thing. We'll use regular this pattern matching. Okay. Now tell me now what is the exact requirement?
Just one word, letter.
One letter. It can be any value, any value. This is the concept. Okay. Pattern matching. Okay. So now same thing. Now what's the requirement? What's the requirement? See here. Requirement is that what? Okay. Copy the same value one more time. Answers are simple. Okay, now I want to get only Praveen. How to get only Praveen? See where name equal to Praveen. Now, if I want to get, if it is uppercase or lowercase, what I should do? Tell me. We need to convert our data into one case. Suppose I am putting mixed case. Now tell me now what happened? We need to convert our table data to uppercase and the data filtering concept to uppercase. Now we'll get what? If it is uppercase or lowercase, I'm getting the data. This is so far good. But what happened now? Spaces are there. How to remove the spaces? We can go for
Trim.
what concept? Trim function. So trim will remove the spaces before and after. Now we're getting one more data will be there. Now if suppose spaces are there, how to remove the spaces in middle?
Replace.
We can use replace function. So replace what? Replace empty space with null. Okay,
No.
nothing, empty space. Okay, see the same function. Now what happened? One more requirement is that what? If it is upper, now tell me what is requirement, last requirement. Now wherever Praveen is there, I want to bring the data. Now we need to go for what concept? Go for what?
Like
Pattern matching. Pattern matching. What's the pattern here?
Percentage
Like
per.
like
percent.
like is like Praveen is the pattern. So percentage Praveen percent. Now we'll get what? We'll get eighth record will be populated. This is the function. What the pointer? So this is the concept. Now what is the last task? Other than Praveen, so I want to extract all the records except SIP. Okay, so I want to get other than Praveen, nothing but I want to get Kumar and I want to get Ram. Tell me, Ishwa, for what concept? Anyone?
in upper.
Not
No,
like
no, other than nothing but if I want to get first record, how to get first record? Tell me, suppose I want to get where ID equal to 1. Okay, ID in 1. Okay. Now tell me now if I want to get other than this record, what I should do?
Not
Need
like.
to use
Expect.
not in. Same thing here also what I should do? I want other than this record. We should go for what? Go for not like. That's it. No, not like the concept. Okay, this is the concept of so pattern matching. So very, very important. Now tell me now how they are trying to achieve. Now I'm searching for mixed case. Now how we need to get the data? Tell me now data is what? Flipkart is my table. Tell me how we are trying to write. Select star from Flipkart, where category, category. Tell me how they're trying to convert. If it's mixed case, tell me. We should convert our table data to
Upper.
uppercase. Same thing, the search call to uppercase. Now what happened? Next thing is that what they want to get, what they want to get pattern. Now we should go for like percentage, percentage. Tell me, it will give a, so wherever phone, wherever mobile phone it is giving, it will give the data. So the same thing. Now suppose they're entering some spaces. Now how to remove spaces? You should go for trim function. The background they're trying to do the logic like this. So same thing. What the point of, suppose if I go here, if I put the spaces, it is working fine, almost like same. Because what happened? So until they're trying to do some, so trim functionality they're trying to do. Same thing if I put the spaces, it is giving almost same. They're using what? They're using replace concept. The same thing should be in a position. Tell me how we're trying to bring this data 6, 199. Comma separate, how you're trying to do?
To care.
To care concept, to care concept. Okay. So how to put rupee symbol?
Concatenation.
Concatenation or pipe symbol. Okay. How to get unique records?
Distinct.
Distinct.
Distinct keyword. How to make it to up capital case?
Upper.
Upper function. Okay. So this is what concept? Higher
By.
value lower system?
Order.
Order
Order
by
by.
order by concept. So see, ultimately after completion of a skill, you should be in a function. So this is what this will see in, this is the aggregate function count. We'll see the same thing in aggregate count. Got the point? Now same thing, let me tell you that try to solve these use cases. Now tell me, they want to get list of employee names start with R and then should be 4. Tell me, then should be 4. How to write? Tell me.
Or underscore, underscore, underscore. 3 underscores.
Tell me.
Like R
So
and 3 underscores.
where name like R underscore 3
Yeah.
underscore. Okay, see. So let me go back here. So this is my table. So where? Tell me where. What is the column name?
Name.
Name like
like
R
R 3 underscores.
R underscore 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is the same thing. Okay, so this is so far good. Now tell me now what happened without pattern matching. Is it possible? Now tell me how to extract first character. Tell me how to extract first character. 1,
1,
1, 1 equal to what? Equal to R. Now tell me it will give a one. It will give starting with R. Now tell me length should be what? How to find length?
Of name.
And the length of name should be 4. Tell me without pattern matching also it is you. We can so see you can able to anything, but center perspective we can go for R percentage the same thing. Okay, this is the concept. Okay. Tell me this one little bit tricky one. So list of names should start with S and end with R. Tell me.
Name
Like name like S percentage.
R.
R. Okay. So what about second character should be compulsory A? Tell me
Percentage.
second.
Percentage A.
Percentage A percentage. Why will you?
Space underscore A.
Space and
Not space.
Percentile RA.
Subestier.
Think slowly. Now tell me what happened. Second character should be compulsory. Try with the like and go for that. Tell me.
Underscore A. Underscore
Underscore A percentage.
Simple thing. Now what they want second character. Second character nothing but, so before that one character should be there. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, see. So nothing but what, where, name,
Name
like
underscore
underscore A. So it
percentage.
can be any value. person nothing but n. So underscore nothing but compulsory 1, but person nothing but it can be any value. Okay. So what about subbase here? How to extract second character?
The best
2,
year.
1. Sub as a 2, 1.
Tell me.
Percentage R underscore.
Come again. No, I'm asking subbase here concept.
The best
How to
year.
extract second character?
Name, comma, 2,
2,
1.
1.
2, 1.
2, 1.
2, 1. Okay, so it will give the same thing. Okay, it can be a character it will give. So where name equal to subbase of name, comma 2, 1 equal to R. What about last one?
Name like R and followed by 3 underscore.
Okay. What about R percentage and the length of name equal to 4? You can do anything.
Yeah.
Okay. So see this functionality. So see A percentage and the length of column equal to 6, or A percentage and length of column equal to 6. Okay, so you can go for anything. Okay, got to find out both the same. Now come to the topic, this one. So two topics are linked up here. Tell me, select the star from student where student name like A percentage. Tell me, student name A percentage, tell me.
Amit,
Starting letter should be A followed by any value.
Okay, start letter should be A. So it's a uppercase. Tell me what is the data will get. Data will get
Amit,
Amit Shah, Akil, Aman.
Amit Shah will come. Amisha won't come. This is Amisha. Okay. See what happened? Amit, Amisha, Akil, Aman. What about Ajit? Why is not getting Ajit?
case sensitive.
It's a case sensitive. What about last one? What data we're getting? What about last one? Their name like AMI.
Amit.
Only Amit.
Only Amit, because compulsory AMI should be there. AMI nothing but we're getting Amit and Amisha. But what happened?
Followed by
Underscore
only
nothing
one
but
character.
only one character. So we'll get Amit. Will get okay. Now what is minus? Tell me. Yesterday we'll discuss. Tell me what is minus.
Should be in first and should not be in.
Come again.
Only get the record from the first select.
No, what's the output? Exact output?
Akil and Aman.
Akil and Amana. Why? Only two records. Huh?
Sorry.
Starting with A.
Ajit also.
Ajit. Why Ajit will come? Minus no. So
Amit
she is.
Shah,
Amisha, Akil, Aman.
So don't by heart the concepts. Tell me what is A percentage. So this is the result set. No, Amit, Amisha, Akil, Aman. Except Ajit, we don't get. Then why again Ajit will come while doing minus? So Ajit won't come because this is not correct. No, Ajit won't be there. Okay. Now minus nothing but what? It should be available in the first result set. Nothing but Amit won't come. Amisha, Akil, and Aman. How to put the proper heading? Where I want to put the proper heading?
Column alias.
Or the first. Got a point. This is the concept of pattern matching. Like, and see simple thing. If you want to solve this use case, you should have knowledge on what? Knowledge on what? Knowledge on the pattern matching concept and the set operator concept. See, minus nothing but it should be there in the first result set. So Ajit won't come because data is not filtered. Okay, see, so Ajit won't come and Amit won't. This is the concept of pattern matching. Okay, another thing. We'll go for other topic. Anyone?